guys, I'm back with another mani. So I have some gel polishes here from Madam Glam. I have Eternal Bliss, Green Highlighter, and Loyal. Of course, this is a Halloween themed gel polish mani, and so I decided to go with kind of like Beetlejuice colors, that bright purple, that neon green, and a white. Now Loyal I think has like a purple tint to it, not 100% certain if purple or pink, but it pulls white on the nail, but it does have a tint to it if I'm not mistaken. And so I have already applied a layer of Madam Glam's gel base to all nails and cured off camera in my LED lamp. And the full coverage tips that I'm that I'm using are Square by Tay, T-A-Y-E, on Amazon. And so I'm applying I am tripping. One thin coat of polish to each nail, and then I'm going to cure my LED lamp, and then I'm going to apply a second thin coat of color to each nail, and then cure my LED lamp as well. And so with Madam Glam's polishes, they are HEMA-free. They are 21 free formula. They're vegan, cruelty-free, and palm oil free. And I used to have a discount code with Madam Glam. I think it's still active. I will have that in the description box below if you're not a VIP member. However, am a VIP member. You pay $29 a month and you get a $29 credit. Now, you don't have to make a purchase if you don't want to with the VIP membership program. I just let mine build up. I'm trying to save them for Black Friday, and I say that in the video, but I've seen some colors that I want, and I'm afraid that they will sell out before Black Friday, and some of their colors, they are no longer available. I'm not sure if these are available or not, but anyway, so again, as I mentioned, I'll have that information in the description box below. Applying a second thin coat of color to all nails, and then I'm going to cure. Now with Madam Glam's polishes, with a lot of gel polishes I use, they're highly pigmented, and usually 2 coats will get the job done. Now if you wanted to do 2 coats, that's totally up to you, but I think 2 coats is good enough, and some of them are even pigmented enough where you could do 1 coat, but I always do 2 coats, especially if I was doing this on my natural nails. I probably would do 2 coats just to or maybe even 3 for because gel polish has a tendency to chip. I know when I do my daughter's nails, her nails always chip, and my cousin goes to the salon and she'll be talking about, I stopped getting gel polish because it chips, and it can chip. And also I wear gloves, so when I was doing my natural nails and not full coverage nail tips, I wore gloves with cleaning and like cleaning, just dusting and cleaning the kitchen, wiping counters down, cleaning the bathroom, washing dishes. I would always wear gloves. Even when I wash my hair, I would wear gloves just to keep so much water from being on the nail. So here are the nails after 2 coats. I did apply Madam Glam's Velvet Matte top coat to the nails and cured in my LED lamp, and I'm going in with the Halloween plate. I think this is Halloween plate 1 from Chic Beauty, and Straight Up Black from Maniology. I'm grabbing like the Frankenstein stitches, and I'm going to apply that on the green nails. And so with this black stamping polish, that black got every doggone where, but with the silicone mat that I'm using, you can clean it up easily with acetone. And so I'm just picking up the image and just transferring it to the nail, no problems whatsoever. I think with the second time I picked it up, I think I had to use my sticky pad because it was kind of smudgy. But in between each image, I do clean the if you want to reuse the image, I do clean it with acetone. And so here I think, no, I didn't clean the plate off. So I mean, I didn't clean it. What am I talking about? I didn't wipe the stamper off, and I do have a sticky pad over to the left that I'm cleaning off, and that's from Clear Jelly Stamper. You can use Scotch tape, you can use a lint roller, whatever works. And so now I'm going in with this Maniology stamping plate. It has just different shapes in there. I wanted the stripes in there, and I thought I was going to have a hard time with the stripes, but I did not. I didn't. The first time I picked it up, it was smudgy, and so I cleaned the plate off again, and then the second time it picked up better. And so yeah, I thought the stripes weren't going to transfer well. I thought they were going to be wonky, but they actually picked up well, and they transferred on the nail well. And I was like pleasantly surprised, because usually when I do straight lines and things like that, those lines can get a little wonky. And so I'm using the stripes, and then the other image that I'm going to use is back on that Uber Chic beauty plate. I want to use the spider web. At first I stamped it in the corner of the nail, but then I didn't like it, and I stamped that on the purple nail, and I was like, I don't think I really like that. I don't know what my thought process was, but it was a thought. So I end up wiping it off with acetone, and then restamping it. Now that I think about it, I probably should have had a I think I had a spider gem. I can't remember if I have a spider gem or not. I could have actually put that on that spider web just to kind of judge that up, or could have made one out of rhinestones, but I didn't. And so the other one's like these little furry spiders just falling down from the web, and I just stamped that on the thumbnail. I really didn't like that image all the way after I did the set, but it was okay. And I've now determined that I don't like square nails on my hands. They're just too wide. And so I then go in and I'm getting ready to wipe that image off of that middle nail. Again, just acetone, and you don't have to do a matte surface, but it's just easier to clean up instead of having that sticky layer on the nail from curing gel polish. And if I'm not mistaken, once the stamping dries, I do go in with Maniology sticky base coat and apply that on top of the nails, and then I go and let that dry, and then I go in with Madam Glam's No Wipe top coat, apply that to the nails, and cure. And so I'm just showing you the smudge-free top coat, and I am an affiliate with Maniology as well, and I will have the description discount code in the description box below. And so whenever you're using smudge-free top coat, yes, it's smudge-free, but you can still smudge your image if you press too hard. And I think on one of these, I think the middle nail, I accidentally smudged the image just because I was wiping too many times on that nail, and I was like, and I may have even did it on the green nail, not 100% certain, but I did smudge one of these, but I didn't think it was to the point where I needed to take it off and redo, because ain't nobody got time for that. And so coming up are the nails with the top coat, and so here they are. And I apply these with sticky tabs on my nails, and so coming up is the finished look. Again, I don't like square nails, they're just too wide. And so guys, please like this video if you found value, leave a comment, let me know what you think, and subscribe to my channel. It is still free 99. So I appreciate you guys for watching, and I'll see you next time.